Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Tezos at number 91, followed by ETHFI, AB, MOX, MORPHO, DEXE, ENS, Trust Wallet, IOTA, and then we end with Conflux at number 100. Let's get straight into Tezos. So to me, looking at Tezos, we're very, very close to the potential entry zone. What I mean by that is Tezos is in a potential, doesn't mean it's going to happen. The moment we clear these lows, right, that's it. Tezos just goes into irrelevance. But the point is, there is a potential for Tezos to hit this noisy area over here and then to bounce back up. So to me, this is a very nice entry zone for a very, very low move to come on for Tezos. But the thing is that we need BTC to flip bullish. If BTC starts bear season, then very likely Tezos is going to be dropping past these lows. That's my fear. Right, of course, the safest thing to do would be to wait for a bullish reversal chart pattern to come in first before making an entry. Let's say, instead of going in at 42 cents, right, we wait for the chart pattern to turn bullish first, and then maybe we go in at 52 cents, right, 10 cents higher. That would be much safer because BTC is looking to me like it's about to switch into a bearish trend. So the best thing we can do is to stay freaking safe. ETHFI against USD. So here we are for ETHFI. ETHFI is, we actually had two targets over here at $2 and 268. It's already invalidated, obviously. The moment we took back out these lows, right, we fell back into the support, right? We broke it, but then we came back down. So it's like, oh my god, yeah. How I wish that we could, hit targets first before reversing, but yeah, the momentum just didn't continue higher. There was a nice consolidation over here, right? I would have, assumed that this would be a very nice continuation up, but yeah, there were some other world events happening, which actually pulled the price lower. So as it stands, it's already invalidated. So yeah, we're not going to be hitting $2 in the near future. Maybe in the far future, yes, but in the near future, nope, because we've already taken out these lows. So for ETHFI, right, I feel like ETHFI could be completing a head and shoulders over here as it drops lower to around 55 cents, I would say. Noisy area over here. So my take is, yeah, it's turning bearish, right? So as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias for ETHFI. But this is a very high quality symmetrical triangle, right? But it's also a chart pattern failure. So these things happen. This is trading. AB against USD. Here we are for AB. AB is, how in the world do you trade that? MYX against USD. Maxi, okay. MYX is another exchange that's looking to challenge Hyperliquid, right? But Hyperliquid's chart pattern is very bearish. Anyway, the point is for MYX, we've already completed mountain number 1. I would be looking forward to a mountain number 2 and then mountain number 3, potentially dropping lower. If we just keep dropping lower and we don't take out these lows, potentially MYX could be reversing back up, right? Things could switch bullish if we just stay bearish for the next few months. But again, not much information for us to work with, right? MYX will still go up here and consolidate and break higher for sure. But for now, yeah, nope. So I would stay safe. MORPHO against USD. Here we are for MORPHO. MORPHO on Git. We have more information. We have a full history for MORPHO. So I feel like MORPHO could also be completing a mountain range here. Very, very big descending triangle could be making in the making. At the same time, of course, it could be squeezing here. So yeah, it all depends of the chart pattern that we get once MORPHO drops towards like $1, right? Are we gonna get a bullish reversal here? Strong bullish reversal, right? The best indicator of a trend will be the skinny pink line. So we will have to wait for this, right? We could be again late. Could wait for a with E first before making a move, right? So this will be a much safer entry rather than going in here, because we do not know whether if this is going to be a strong rally back up, because this could also turn very bearish, right? Descending triangle. So the best thing we can do right now is to stay safe. I suspect that if we were to cut across, yeah, we can actually take a trade here if it drops lower. But yeah, again, this is just not really that high quality. So again, I would stay freaking safe. DEXE, what in the world is happening to DEXE? So here we are for DEXE. It is just mucking around in and out. DEXE is also potentially in a squeeze here, right? As we drop, if we could slow down, right, to let's say $3, and we start reversing back up, oh, this would be great. Very nice squeeze, right? But we have room to drop still though. Tezos doesn't have room to drop. So yeah, again, we will have to wait and see how it goes. Things are not really looking that rosy at the moment. MORPHO. Okay. So for MORPHO, give it more information. Hey, I thought we just did MORPHO, bro. Ethereum name service, bro. Ethereum name service. Okay, here we are. Yeah, again, mountain range over here. Left shoulder, hit, right shoulder. At the same time, this could also be a very nice squeeze completion, you see. Stay safe. Stay freaking safe. Trust Wallet. Here we are for Trust Wallet. There was a Giga rally that came. We are still above the skinny pink line though. Trust Wallet is still in a bullish trend. If we could consolidate over here, nice bullish continuation chart pattern, Trust Wallet could go higher. Absolutely possible, right? During bear runs, there are usually outliers that goes up while everyone is down. Trust Wallet could be one of those. But of course, we need to see that chart pattern appear first before calling more upside. IOTA, same thing. It's in the same boat as Tezos, right? A very nice squeeze over here. Very high targets over here at 24 and 850. But at the same time, we cannot close these lows. We just cannot close below these lows. This is at around 7 cents. Other exchanges, it could be like 5 cents, right? On Binance, it's 5 cents. But my take is, it's very important we don't close these lows. The moment we take out these lows decisively, that's it. That's it. Everything will be gone for IOTA. So yeah, at this point of time, we'll still have to wait for more information. Conflux against USD, same thing. Also potentially in a squeeze. Conflux has more room to drop compared to IOTA or Tezos, right? Very nice squeeze as well, potentially. They could complete, right? We actually broke above the skinny pink line. We were hoping for it to stay above, but yeah, eventually dropped lower. So, you know, stay safe, guys. Stay safe. I suspect that bear season could be about to start for crypto. So stay freaking safe. Alright, boys and girls. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.